stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a tutorial on whatever this is. I had like a couple of ideas, like I wanted glitter and stickers, and then I wanted hearts on my cheeks, and then somehow I just ended up doing it all at once. And then somehow like these kind of look like dog paws from far away. I don't even know what I was going for, but this is what we got. And so if you guys want to see how I did get all of this, then please keep watching. Also, if you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and to make sure you turn on post notifications. That way you guys get notified every time I post. We are starting off with the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're taking this shade right here, and that's going into our crease. I promise I'll incorporate new palettes, but I mean, this is just my go-to hands down palette all the time for like a crease shade. It's just like my go-to no matter what. And then my second palette is this one, which is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I took that hot pink shade and I'm putting that into my crease as well, and I'm kind of flicking it. I am then taking this pink shade from the same palette and I'm putting it in the crease as well. I'm just going to be deepening it up the crease because I want it to be very smoky and show a lot of different color pinks. And then I'm taking this pink shade as well and I'm doing the same exact thing. I'm then going in with the red shade and I'm putting that in the crease as well to deepen it up even more. And when you don't use a lot of red, it can pull off pink as well. So I want it to be very deep, so that is why I'm going in with the red as well. Going back into the Modern Renaissance, I'm taking this pink shade, the shade Love Letter. The Modern Renaissance is the best for cool tones, warm tones. It's just my all-time favorite. Then I'm taking some Tarte Shape Tape and I'm starting to cut the crease. And I have a video on how to do a cut crease for beginners. If you guys want to see that, I will put it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But I'm just doing a full cut crease. Lately, I have been loving doing cut creases all the time because it just makes my eyes appear larger and bigger than they actually are. And yeah, so I've been loving doing cut crease. I feel like the makeup looks cleaner. Everything just looks more pigmented and nicer. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with cut creases lately. I am taking that white powder from the Modern Renaissance and I'm just setting that concealer. Then I'm taking the Stila liquid shadows, which are my absolute favorite. I love them so much. I believe it's in the shade Kitten, and I'm putting that all over the lid. I picked up a couple of these liquid shadows from Stila when they were on sale at Ulta for 21 Days of Beauty. I literally love them, but they're super expensive. I think they're like $24 for one, so I got them for really cheap at Ulta. But honestly, they're so good and so pigmented, and look how nice it goes on. Some of the sparkles do have a bit of a fallout, but I mean, it just looks so good, and what glitter doesn't have fallout? Then I'm taking a small pencil brush and I'm using some concealer and I'm cutting the crease even more. I kind of want a white line because I'm going to go over it with some hot pink shadow so that the hot pink line is very pigmented and bright. And to really get that color, I mean, concealer is great to put down and then put the shadow on top. It's going to look so good like that. Moving on to face, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. I went back to using a primer and I forgot why I stopped. It makes my pores literally look amazing and I'm so happy I went back to this. And then I'm taking the Stila All Day Foundation, which has been my favorite, and I'm using this Juno & Co brush and I'm just putting this all over my face and then blending it out. Then taking some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey, I'm using this to conceal and brighten under my eyes. I promise I will be using other concealers. It's just the best. Like, I try not to use the same thing in every video, but I mean, it's literally the best concealer I've ever tried. So I'm really sorry about that. But then I'm taking this Dark Rainbow Collection brush by Sephora and I'm using that to blend out. I've been loving this brush to blend out my concealer. Beauty blenders are still amazing, but I got this on sale and I've been loving it. Now I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Setting Powder, and I'm using that to set my under eyes and my entire face. I did do a review on this on my channel, and I've literally been using it ever since. And yeah, so I'm using that to set my under eyes and my entire face as well. I am then taking the Maybelline City Bronzer, the new one, and I'm using that to contour my face. I also did a review on this on my channel, and I've been using it ever since as well. Lately, at the drugstore, have been having such good makeup. I've been obsessed. Then taking this blush palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm putting this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm actually going pretty heavy with blush. I'm also going to put it like on my forehead. I want it to be very, very like bright and kind of a little editorial, but not too much. I'm just putting a lot of blush. Back into the Modern Renaissance, I'm taking this shade right here and I'm putting that underneath my eyes to kind of just deepen it up, and then I'm going in with the pink to really smoke it out. I am putting a lot of pink. I am bringing it lower. I am connecting it to the wing, to the cut crease. I am just putting a lot of pink on my eyes, and I'm obsessed with it. I am then taking this Lorac lip pencil. It's like a hot pink. I will put the shade in the description box, and I'm using that to line my lips. I'm then taking this ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Bud, and I'm putting that all over my lips. I do go over it with a gloss because I feel like it's a little too bright for me, but I will be going over it with Dose of Colors Undressed Lip Gloss. Then I'm going in with some Pixie black liner, and I'm using that to line my waterline. Now I'm taking these stickers. I believe I got it from Amazon or Michaels. I don't remember. I will put it in the description box, and I'm putting it all underneath my eyes so I get the place of it. I wish I didn't put it in like a paw print. Like, I definitely did not mean to do that, but it ended up looking like a paw print after, unless like you're really close and then you see the hearts. But I'm taking that hot pink shade from the BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to start putting the pink all over my cheeks on top of the stickers. And what this is going to do is when I remove the stickers, you're going to see like the hearts, the outlines of the hearts. So I'm using this to kind of sketch out the hearts. Again, I really wish I didn't put the stickers in a paw print. Like, that was not my intention, but I mean, that's what we're working with. And now I'm going to be taking the stickers off, and look, you get like a nice pretty heart. So I kind of use the stickers as like stencils, and I think it looks really nice. I'm just really mad that I put it in the, what am I saying? I'm really mad I made it look like a paw print from far away. Like, that's my only thing I wish I didn't do, but whatever. Now I'm going in with some IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I'm using that to put some mascara on my lashes and my bottom lashes. I wish I didn't see it now, but I have a bunch of glitter on top of my lashes. I wish I saw it before that so I can like fix it. I didn't see it from my mirror because I wasn't like looking down at myself in the mirror, so I wish I did fix that. So there is a bunch of glitter on top of my lashes. And then I'm going in with the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using this to highlight my cheeks and my forehead and my nose. I'm going to be doing a lot of highlight. Now this part was inspired by another YouTuber called Beauty by Julia. So I'm taking some gel, and this is the only gel I have because it's my boyfriend's, and I'm putting it all on top of my hair so that it's nice and tacky and sticky. Then I'm taking all this glitter that I got at Michael's and mixing these pinks and then this iridescent one, and I'm just putting that all on top of the gel in my hair, and it actually wasn't that bad washing my hair. It did come out kind of, but I'm putting it all over my forehead as well and bringing it forward. And then I'm taking some of those stickers that I was showing you before, and I'm putting it right on top of the glitter on my forehead. I was going to put some on my hair too, but it really wasn't sticking, so I'm just putting it right on my forehead, and I'm only putting 4 going straight down. And now I'm setting everything using some MAC Fix Plus. This is the final look. I don't really know what I was going for. I was just playing with some products and just throwing things on my face, and then somehow it ended up into this. I kind of wish I did the hearts a little bit differently because I feel like from far away it just looks like dog paws. Like, it just looks like a paw. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.
stops when I'm falling for you.
Why did I do dog paws? Did I intend to do that? Thank God I'm washing my hair today before it even gets out.